Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey for market research using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. Consider I am a product manager of a product and I want to check the market conditions before adding some features to my product. Hence, I am using InstaWP for taking a quick market survey. I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable website and test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. Number 1 is to hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create New Quizzes, Surveys, or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I am setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form you're using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could set if you wish to show your survey only to the logged in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-on section, where we get to see the popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirement to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. We have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one, where I wish to ask our users about what kind of product they like to use. After entering the question, you can select what type of question from the drop-down on the right-hand side. I am selecting the polar type question here. It will show you a slider bar in the survey to choose among the two. You can mark the question as required if you wish to, so that the question can't be skipped. Then, click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Let's click on Create a New Question at the bottom, or click on Duplicate button on the Questions tab. On the second question, I want to check what brands could the users think of while using same category product. I am selecting the short answer type question so that the user could give me a quick list of the brands. Once you're happy with the questions and answers entered, click on Save Question. Let's move to the next question by clicking on Create a New Question or click on Duplicate. Here, I want to know what was the last time the user purchased the same product from a different brand. Let's create this as a multiple choice type question so that our users can select the suitable answer amongst given choices. Then, click on Save Question. Moving on to the last question, by clicking on Create New Question or Duplicate button, here, I want to check if the users think that there should be a particular price range under which a good quality product can be bought. I am selecting the short answer type question here so that the users could leave small details about what they feel about the pricing. Now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field. Select the field type and label it as Full Name. Let's add another contact field to take the details of the phone number. Select the field type and label it as Contact Number. Then click on Save Contact Field. Our question for the survey is set and the contact field is configured. Let's preview our survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the market research survey and it works just right. That's all for this video. How do you plan on using QSM Plugin? Let us know in the comments section. Stay tuned for new tips on using QSM Plugin. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.